Hello everybody. Today we're going on a adventure to a waterfall, Cummins Falls. It's going to be very pretty. Enjoy us on our
walk.
Join us on our little walk today. Fall overlook.
We want to do the shortcut to the Forks River. Because don't we have to walk that trail?
We want to go to both.
Okay, let's do the
Let's do the left first. Cummins Falls State Park Trail. Out of breath. Already. I can hear it. We're almost there. Yellow trail. Boom. There's another one of those yellow markers. Left. Best view to the right, it says. All right. Best view. Whoop. Pause for a shoe tie. Whoa. That's wicked. Look at that. That's old Cummins Falls. Dodge Cummins. Probably not even related. It's really pretty though. It's really pretty.
Go downstream?
Let's go downstream.
Downstream.
Off we go. We're gonna go swimming now. That's a huge tripping hazard. All right, Liz.
What?
So do you think the aliens built that waterfall?
Of course.
Okay. Waterfall overlook. Check. Now we're going down below, I think.
Walk that. I think.
You can see some people right there, and then there's some swimming down here. We gotta go way down here and then walk all the way up this little ridge.
We really should have just done that like shortcut.
I agree. Shortcut would have been a better idea. We're getting eaten by bugs. Tripped over a log. About took a branch to the face. Gonna be getting sunburnt, sweating.
Hold your feet, not the camera, dude.
Hopefully we live. This is intense. This is a straight vertical right here. Woo. We found the stairs. Now we're going down to the base. This is quite a journey. First sighting of water. At the bottom, I should say. Seeing the falls at the top. Now we got like another half-mile walk up the creek. Look for fish. I'll bring my fishing pole down here. Well, I'm officially in the water. A half a mile to walk with wet shoes. Looking forward to it.
Okay.
I don't like snakes.
Please don't show this to your mother before we come.
Oh shit balls. I don't know where that went.
Will you take my picture?
I don't know where the snake went.
It's fine. He's more scared of you than you are of him.
I doubt it. I'm pretty scared of snakes. So that little snake we've seen, I believe, is just a northern water snake. I don't think they're poisonous. Still a water snake, and I don't like snakes, so gonna try to stay away from that thing. And these rocks are super slippery. Probably gonna end up busting my butt. Well, it says this is a good picture rock. She's gonna go over there. All right, girl, pop it for me. Beautiful. So pretty down here. Incredibly pretty. Uh-oh. Shoe tie number 2.
Same shoe too.
We've only been here like 30 minutes.
It's the same shoe.
Zoomed in shot of that. Oh yeah, nice.
Okay.
Can we go now? Yeah. All right. Onwards. For all the yuppies out there, there's your path. The real men and women go through the water. Even though I said just to get out of the water a second ago because it's really slippery in here. So far I have seen 0 fish. It's so crystal clear. Last bend, and then I think we should be able to see it.
Huh?
I think it's the last bend.
Oh.
And we should be able to see it. I can see it. Oh my goodness, Liz, look at it. Moves. There it is. There it is. So close yet so far. We made it. Cummins Falls. There's people up top. I don't know how they get all the way up top, but there's people up there.
Yeah, they are.
Super cool. It's like 90 degrees out right now, so it feels really, really good. Oh my gosh.
Woo, it's cold.
So like, look at this edge.
I know.
Sometimes you can really grab hold. Oh, getting soaked. These guys right here are magnet fishing. That's pretty cool. Looking for GoPros or iPhones or anything metal.
This is so nice.
We're pretty much in it now. What do you think?
It's really cool. I like it. This is really neat.
Probably getting just a little bit wet. But I gotta get that good shot, you know? Anything for the views, boy. Holy cow. Woo. It's so cool.
Woo!
What do you think? Good? Well, we're up here. It's probably incredibly blurry, but we made it. It's a little wet in here. It's really cold. Sorry if there's water spots all over the camera, but I mean, we're at a waterfall. It's wild. Look at that sexy lady. Woo-woo! How deep is it? How deep is it?
I hit the bottom, but it's probably a good 2 feet ahead of my head.
Okay.
That's pretty deep.
Okay. Here goes Liz. 3, 2, 1. Maybe not. There she goes. Boom. Did you touch?
What?
Did you touch?
Yeah.
It hurt?
No. I
Alright,
used to stop. Did you touch?
There's a wall, you have to jump out a little farther.
Yeah.
I just barely touched, but not really though.
Same.
If I would have jumped straight in, I'd be dead. Because that wall's probably like 6 feet maybe. We're gonna double jump off this thing after these people. Down to 3. 3, 2, 1, go. Hit that thing again.
I jumped out. I didn't do it.
That was freaking awesome. I almost want to do it again. One more time. 3rd time's the time. Now we're probably going to end up getting hurt and die. All right, 3rd and final time, and then we're donezo. All right. Get it, girl.
I can't do it now. I'm like nervous.
Jump out a little bit. Boom. Good? Good deal. She survived. There we go. I'm nervous now. I made it, barely. Whew. That was the best one, by far. I still touched, but I don't think I touched the bottom, just the rock part. .43, 10,000 steps.
We got here probably, what?
We're tired.
9?
We made it. It was awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this. This hike is not for the faint of heart. It's
Pretty decent one.
it's very vertical, so a lot of fun, but wow. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Cummins Falls and Cookeville
Yes,
in Cookeville, Tennessee. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.